What you got, baby girl?
Toys.
Yep.
Toys.
Help her to open it, babe. Ate will open it for you. Oh. Careful.
Wow.
Wow. What's that?
I think
A stroller? Parts of a stroller?
wow.
Hmm. Let Ate build it for you, baby. Hmm? Yeah. It's empty. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You happy? You happy? Yay! Be careful, baby, the knife. Careful, baby. Orange. Hmm? Yeah, it's empty. No more balloons. Uh-oh.
Knife.
It's a knife? Where? Oh, okay. That's a toy knife.
Knife?
Mm-hmm. How old are you, baby girl? How old are you? Hey. No. Yep, you get. Pleasure. How old are you?
Bishop.
No. How old are you? Count. Count. Count this one. Count.
1, 2.
2. You're 2. Yeah. What you doing? Oh, put up your flip-flop. Baby doll. Can you show me your baby doll? Wow. Wow, that's nice. And what is that? A diaper bag. Oh. Oh. You happy? Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you.
Uh-huh. You're helping Ate? What's that? What's that?
I see you.
I see you. Ah! Uh-oh. What's that? Look, watch Ate. She's building it. What is that? Is that the stroller? Careful, baby. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're hyper. Hmm? Yeah, that's at the shine. Just leave it there. Hang it over there. Watch Ate. Watch Ate. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pick it up. Go give it to Ate. I thought it come with the playpen too. It come with the playpen? Oh yeah, yeah. And the high chair too. It's over here. What you doing, girl? No, wait for Ate. Oh, that's danger. Go clean up your room. Put up your stuff. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do that. You're gonna break it. Wow. That's the stroller. Oh, she wants you to open the baby doll first, baby. Cool. Look at this. Hey. Pleazure, look. It's opening it.